Ecclesiastical Degree Baccalaureate in Sacred Theology. Chris Simon Belaong Abadilla, Diocese of Bacolod, cum laude. Kevin Macoca Anyembe, Congregation of the Holy Spirit. Erwin Fernandez Arandia, Society of Jesus, summa cum laude. Leomar Zamora Bersales, Diocese of San Carlos. Quincy J. Torres Cañete, Diocese of Dumaguete. Chun Jun Min, Society of Jesus, cum laude. Dinya Pua, Priest of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Do Chin Tuk, Congregation of the Holy Spirit. Duan Tan Tan, Society of Jesus. Melvin Saludares Eliaga, Missionaries of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Hugo Antonio Pacio Hernandez, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles, magna cum laude. Jonas Rafael Fernandez Martinez, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Van Kim, Missionary Sons of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, magna cum laude. Sylvester Ferdy Diga Lansang, Diocese of Tagbilaran. Clement J. Bon Awingan Latugan, Sons of Mary Immaculate. Paul Mark Abyapas Layugan, Missionary Sons of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Levin Suk, Society of Jesus, magna cum laude. Society of Jesus, magna cum laude. Marius Rewa, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Peter and Samba, Canons Regular of Jesus the Lord. J.P. Aguinante Peña, Society of St. Paul. Order of Discalced Carmelites. Pham Tan Nam, Congregation of the Holy Spirit. Pham Van Duan, Society of Jesus, magna cum laude. Pham Van Yuong, Order of Pious Schools. Jeffrey Lloyd Cañas Pocong, Society of Jesus, summa cum laude. Rolly Balientos Revilla, Pastoral Assistance and Community Education Mission. Robert Rizzo, Society of Jesus, summa cum laude. Arnie Jade Mendez Rosco, Congregation of the Passion of Jesus Christ. Lawrence Adrian Alisago Rubrico, Missionaries of Our Lady of La Salette. Saw Justin, Society of Jesus. Seng Ong, Society of Jesus. Richard Sales Sumera, Society of Jesus, magna cum laude. Jenmar Valdez Versola, Diocese of Bayumbong. Order of Pious Schools. Matezaya, Society of Jesus, summa cum laude. Recipients of the second cycle ecclesiastical degree licentiate in sacred theology, biblical theology, Tran Min Man, Congregation of the Mother of the Redeemer, cum laude. Migration Theology, Campdonian, Society of Jesus, cum laude. Kim Hong Sik, Archdiocese of Daegu, South Korea, magna cum laude. Nguyen Tuan Phuc, Society of Jesus, cum laude. Moral Theology, Tran Tu Nguyen Hai, Dominican Missionary Sister of Phu Quang, cum laude. Systematic Theology, Evans Adomaco Apia, Society of Jesus, cum laude. The recipient of the third cycle ecclesiastical degree, Doctorate in Sacred Theology, specializing in systematic theology with a dissertation entitled Generating a Contextual Around Integral Eco-Theology of Chotan Nagpur from Pope Francis in Laudato Si. Alphonse Pispota, Society of Jesus, magna cum laude.
The Vice President for Academic Affairs will now announce the candidates for graduation of the civil degrees.
The candidates for graduation of the civil degrees took their courses at Loyola School of Theology under the Theology and Ministry program of the School of Humanities of the Ateneo de Manila University. They will be conferred their degrees at the university graduation. The following professional civil degrees will be conferred on 16 candidates of Master of Arts in Pastoral Ministry with a concentration in Spirituality and Retreat Directing, Master in Family Ministry and Counseling, Master in Spirituality and Retreat Directing, and Master in Pastoral Ministry. The following academic civil degrees will also be conferred: Master of Arts in Theological Studies on 15 candidates, the Doctor of Philosophy and Theology on 1 candidate, and the Doctor of Ministry in Spirituality and Retreat Directing on 1 candidate. Each candidate will receive their LST medallion today in recognition of their program completion. As I call the names, I request those called to come forward and receive their medallion. Master of Arts in Pastoral Ministry, Spirituality and Retreat Directing, Maria Noel Batiao Ibit. Master in Family Ministry and Counseling, Audrey Ann Agudo Ambrosio. John de la Cruz Melad, Society of Jesus. Nguyen Kim Trang, Sisters of Our Lady of the Admissions. Genesis Frances Nisa Toledo. Pastoral Ministry, Jose Carlos Santiago Cruz. Armenia Lourdes Cynthia Arnaldo Gutierrez. Ion Yol Lee, Society of Our Lady of Perpetual Help. J.P. Aviñante Peña, Society of St. Paul. Arnie Jade Mendez Rosco, Congregation of the Passion of Jesus Christ. Lawrence Adrian Alisago Rodrigo, Missionaries of Our Lady of La Salette. Ariel Balder Vidanes, Agustinians of the Assumption. Master in Spirituality and Retreat Directing. Melvin Saludares Eliaga, Missionaries of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Gerson Villaluna Iponya. Hazel Lauron Ladiero, Handmaids of the Divine Heart. Michael Nino Loria Ramirez. Master of Arts, major in Theological Studies, Biblical Theology. Aldo Miguel Constantino Medina Bonifacio. Christine Joy Arenque Lumeda, Religious of the Assumption. Itoiban, Missionary Sisters of the Blessed Virgin, Queen of the World. Master of Arts, major in Theological Studies, Moral Theology. Nomi Fernand Lara Bagnaan, Diocese of Tagum. Aloysius Lubega, Society of Jesus. Master of Arts, major in Theological Studies, Pastoral Theology. Edward Lining Dantes, Society of St. Paul. Master of Arts, major in Theological Studies, Systematic Theology. Roel Joe Eclipse Abonal, Diocese of Borongan. Ian Gabriel Sebreros Ceblano. Ted Vincent Gayosa Emboltorio, Diocese of Marbel. Jose John Barros Fuertes, Diocese of Bacolod. Luis Angelo Elardo Enriquez, De La Salle Brothers. Mark Christian Ray Jinete Garcia. Christian Joseph Corrales Hoxon, Diocese of Caloocan. Francis Arceo Lajola, Institute of the Holy Family. Michael George Madela Villatis, Diocese of Novaliches. Doctor of Ministry, Spirituality and Retreat Direction, Danica Rose Macarandan Babela. Doctor of Philosophy in Theology, Biblical Theology, John Paul Abu Bolano. Congratulate you for successfully completing your civil degree programs in the Theology and Ministry program of the School of Humanities of Ateneo de Manila University through Loyola School of Theology.
The Vice President for Academic Affairs will now call on the recipients of the non-degree diplomas.
We will now award the following diploma to 93 students who have completed their respective programs: the diplomas in Basic Pastoral Ministry, Integral Ecology, Integral Vocational Accompaniment, Jesuit Juniorate Studies, Pastoral Ministry, Pastoral Care of Migrants, Pre-Theology Studies, Catholic Safeguarding, and Theological Studies. As I call their names, I request those called to come forward to receive their diplomas from the President. Diploma in Basic Pastoral Ministry, Abigail Labirinto Aguirre. Steve Johnson Edayan Lepasana. Emma May Manalaysay Marcelo. Charles Angelo Domingo Nascianceno. Jarna Pancho Pestaño. Diploma in Integral Ecology. Chosu Suong, Religious of the Good Shepherd. Net Castellino de Leon. Ana May Pamor Natividad, Sisters of St. Anne. Pepita Melesio Ontong, Franciscan Missionaries of the Infant Jesus. Gina Ramoneda Rama, Daughters of St. Paul. Edna Palma Tagangolila, Sisters of St. Paul of Chartres. Dorina de Asis Zamora, Daughters of Charity. Diploma in Integral Vocational Accompaniment. Irene Guevara Abulencia, Franciscan of the Immaculate. Jesuraj Cruz Adakailam, Oblates of Mary Immaculate. Lawrence Laparan America, Diocese of Rumaca. Johanna Lumabang Bernabe, Benedictine Sisters of the Eucharistic King. Eva Abad Cabidoy, Franciscan of the Immaculate. Mary Grace Celostia, Religious of the Virgin Mary. Geraldine Amargo Concordo, Leaven of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Maria Marcela de Guzman. Chris de Quiros, Missionary Catechist of St. Therese of the Infant Jesus. Serrano del Mundo, Franciscan of the Immaculate. Juliet Serrano del Mundo, Franciscan of the Immaculate. Angel Dineros. Maria Ali Saison Elioran, Religious of the Virgin Mary. Odisa Dave Estor, Augustinian Sisters of Our Lady of Consolation. Nena Padeng Buminigin, Augustinian Sisters of Our Lady of Consolation. Tinja. Tin Sumni, Salesian Sisters of St. John Bosco. De Zelda Bentoy Laurente, Franciscan Missionaries of Mary. De Baunok Turin, Daughters of Our Lady of the Visitation. De Tisuk, Daughters of Divine Zeal. Sirio Kabamalan, Congregation of Jesus and Mary. Nyen Binti, Missionaries of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Nyen Tuuyen, Servants of Jesus of Charity. Jennifer Celedonio Ober, Dominican Sisters of St. Catherine of Siena. Sylvester Kakuko Paul, Oblates of Mary Immaculate. Daisy Lorawati Pondaab, Daughters of St. Paul. Alberto Siogo Presentianto, Archdiocese of Jakarta. Ryan Virador Ragasa, Order of the Discalced Augustinians. Leticia Montano Sarasa, Order of St. Benedict. Eugenia Soriaso Sobradilla, Augustinian Sisters of Our Lady of Consolation. Maria Stella Sotensuico, Religious of the Virgin Mary. Ana Zapanta Tenerife, Servants of Jesus of Charity. Chan Itu Chang, Lovers of the Holy Cross of Dalat. Chan Van Tuan, Congregation of the Holy Spirit. Poniente Tundag, Sisters of the Sacred Heart of Jesus of Ragusa. Maria Adrialen Bacan Ballestera, Religious of the Virgin Mary. Diploma in Jesuit Juniorate Studies. Kevin Stefan Ramos Centeno. Trocilo Antonio de Jesus. Enrique. Bertrand Leong Huanghua. Joel Leong Waitong. Jeric Bibal Madelo. John Mar Teposo Monato. Hao Zhang. Diploma in Pastoral Care of Migrants. Marilu Kaab Baaco, Daughters of Charity of St. Vincent de Paul. Hugo Antonio Pasio Hernandez, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Jonas Rafael Fernandez Martinez, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Anil Kujur, Archdiocese of Ranchi. Marius Rewa, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Nguyen Van Cu, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Sylvester Endong, Congregation of the Missionaries of St. Charles. Diploma in Pastoral Ministry, Maria Cristal Samis Bermejo, Hijas de Jesus. Diploma in Pre-Theology Studies, Renzo Miguel Bargayo Akyat, Society of Jesus. Nico Certeza Anyain, Missionary Society of St. Paul. Jaime Martin Paraino Candelaria, Society of Jesus. Giancarlo Villapando Dila, Diocese of Pasig. Pandarong, Society of Jesus. Ganje, Society of Jesus. Francesco Jan Yusique Labuntog, Society of Jesus. Liu Shuaile, Society of Jesus. Nadim Rebucas Lomubos, Missionary Society of St. Columban. Yatawa Naaiti, Missionary Society of St. Columban. Rogelio Regalario Nato, Society of Jesus. Ngo Quang Luan, Missionary Society of St. Paul. Nguyen Van Long, Congregation of the Blessed Korean Martyrs. Nini Tun, Society of Jesus. Francesco Pio, Missionary Society of St. Columban. Medel Naung Celiana, Order of Discalced Carmelites. Tian Nai Tang, Society of Jesus. Tran Dai Lin, Missionary Society of St. Paul. Chan Tung Kwok Fung, Congregation of the Blessed Korean Martyrs. Winston Heng Chun Swan, Society of Jesus. Diploma in Safeguarding Children and Vulnerable Adults. Rowena Liego Abulencia, Capuchin Tertiary Sisters of the Holy Family. Fung Min Dang, Rogationists of the Sacred Heart. Dennis Fario Galon, Archdiocese of Haro. Tristan Dino La Forteza, Diocese of Novaliches. Henki Iskandar Lemon. Agnes Segovia Reyes. Diana Rose Jasmine Reyes, Sister Handmaids of Charity of St. Vincent de Paul. Wang Baoli, Franciscan Missionaries of Mary. Diploma in Theological Studies, Park Soo-jin, Congregation of Jesus. We will now recognize 23 students